In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Facebook has a bug error when opening app. Let's get started. First, force close the app. Open the recent app screen and swipe Facebook away. Next, check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Facebook. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it. With these, your problem might be fixed. If still you are having the issue, clear cache for the Facebook. For that, launch settings, go to General, click on iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Facebook and launch it. Click on Offload app, confirm it, click on Reinstall app. If you're using Android device, press and hold on the Facebook app, click on App Info, go to Storage, click on Clear Cache and confirm it. Likewise, make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Next, check for software update in your device. If any updates are available, just update it. Next up, completely delete Facebook from your device and reinstall it. Lastly, you can check the server status of Facebook. For that, launch your preferred browser. Type in Facebook server status. Navigate to this website down detector. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.